I got this timer for procedure to use for icing for the first couple of days, and it's nice as it's something different from my Alexa device. To use it, you have to wind it past 55 minutes first, and then set it to your time setting.